Okay guys, so I am headed to my lash appointment this morning. It's currently early. I really need them done. As you can see, I got 3 lashes left, y'all. Then I have a hair appointment this evening around 5 o'clock. So I have to wash, blow dry, and get some hair. But I'm just getting 2 braids, so it's nothing too crazy. It's nothing too crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna let my car warm up and then we're gonna head over there.
They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Tag glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Tag glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Tag glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. Tag glow, no competition.
And we are done, y'all. We are done. Shout out to Kyla. I got bottoms as well. And y'all, this is my first time having bottoms in a minute. Like, I haven't had bottoms since maybe the last maybe the last 2 years, I think. But y'all, like, so tea. I like it. I really do like it. And even the bottoms, like, I like them. I think the bottoms adds a lot more to it. Like, I think it looks so good. So I think she said they're 12 to 16 in length, and then this is a volume set with spikes. Now I don't know the lengths of the spikes, but and then I also got bottoms. So y'all, they're so cute. Let's go back home so we can wash our hair and use the restroom because I gotta pee so bad. I gotta pee so bad, y'all. But okay, let's go. And it actually only took her 11:30. It only took her oh my gosh, my nose is running because my eyes were watering so bad. It took her about 2.5, not even a full 2.5 hours. So that was really good for a full volume set. Like, that was really good, and I was comfortable. We was having good chats because she also was a nursing major. So a nursing major from California at that. So it was good. Ooh, what is going on here? I'm about to go to Ulta. And get a blowout, which I've done before. Like, I just need my hair blow dried so I can get it done. My appointment's not until 5, so I got some time, and I still gotta go to the beauty supply store to get my hair. So that's what's on the agenda. We got beauty supply store, Ulta. She's gonna do a wash and blow dry, and then my hair appointment is at 5. So that's what we got going for today. Okay, y'all, I don't know if y'all can tell the difference, but I'm gonna switch from 4K to 1080p because I have a little bit more space to record on 1080p than I do 4K. I think I only got like 10 minutes left to record on 4K, so I'm gonna switch it over to 1080p. I don't know if y'all can see a difference in the quality, but hopefully it's not too drastic of a change. So yeah, we're gonna head to Ulta right now, which is only like 2-3 minutes away. Tori, say hi to the vlog. Yeah. Bro, it's tea. It's tea. Bro, y'all, that's Toriana. If you don't know who Toriana is, then you're not an OG. Toriana was like one of my first college roommates, and she is amazing. She's fantastic. I love the girl to death. So, and she's about to graduate, so I'm about to do her nails next week. I'm so excited. So excited for her. So excited for all my graduates. I'm almost there. 6 more months. Okay, let's go. Yeah, okay. I was like, I just wanted to make sure. Okay, y'all. At this point, we were both kind of confused on what was happening. I mean, the little itty bitty tangle teaser thing with the finger combo was it was not doing nothing, and it was hurting. It was hurting so bad at this point. I was just like, get me up out of this chair. I was not trusting the process at this moment. My neck was hurting, my head was hurting. I'm like, oh no, it's time to get up. Like at this point, my hair is not even detangled. Like I don't know what the purpose of that was because it wasn't detangled. So yeah.
Oh, baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no.
Can I ask what serum you're using?
Like at the end?
Okay, I'm only saying that because my hairstylist, she doesn't like it when I have like a lot of oil, I guess you can say.
Yeah, I'm not putting too.
Okay, because yeah, whenever she puts the jam and stuff, it doesn't mix with it. It leaves like a white cast when they miss.
Where do you start it?
Middle, yes.
A collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. I know.
No, you are good. Thank you. Yes, because this is all I needed. Because she's just gonna put it right back into braids.
Yeah,
so, thank you so much. And then I can pay at the front, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you yours.
Okay. Okay, y'all. I just left the hair supply store. I ended up just getting 613 and 27. I asked my girl that's braiding my hair what she would recommend, and that's what she recommended. So that's what I'm gonna go with, and hopefully it blends pretty well. I was debating if I wanted to get like silver added in or what, but I think we just went with the 1 pack of 613 and the 1 pack of 27. So hopefully that works. I'm vlogging, Mom. So you're gonna hear me talking. I'm vlogging. Okay. So, Morgan's gonna come and do my hair here. She says she's on the way, so she should be here soon. But in the meantime, I got my work shoes, which my Grammy got me for Christmas. This is my early Christmas present. So I'm about to open that on camera with y'all. Cause I like working in my Crocs. Any other shoes like really hurt my heels. So they're work Crocs because they have no holes. Yup. Got them in good old white. I would wear these to clinical, but I don't know if they'll let me wear these to clinical. But they're white, and I'm ready to wear these tomorrow. Yep, here they are. And it has the Velcro so it can like adjust. And it's like thick, so it kind of covers your heel, which is good. Okay, y'all. Oh, hold on. Reagan is here. She's giving me my custom mix. About to eat because I love me a good braid. Reagan always gets me right. Every single time. Every single time. I trust Reagan with my hair. Can't say that for a lot of folks. I wanted to get braids for real, but then I realized I have headshots on Tuesday, next Tuesday. So I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna have no braids in these sessions. No, thank you. No, thank you. So right now, I just need something that's gonna hold me over for the week. Cause I was sick and tired of doing my hair. I can't do it. I don't know. I don't know the girl name. But let me tell you, when she was washing my hair, I'm not tender-headed. At all. But man, it was a white girl. And she was like, oh, do you want a deep condition and everything? I said, I mean, can, like, I don't really care, whatever. So she's going in, and it was like, she wasn't scrubbing right. I felt like the back of my neck was dry. Like I'm like, girl, look my hair. I'm like, no, look, get in there. I'm like, it's okay. Like, you can. I'm not tender-headed. And she was like, oh, okay. She took that in the wrong way. And she started going crazy. I said, whoa, let's calm down. Because the thing, like, my head was bumping on the back of the little sink. And she ain't putting no towel down or nothing. Like, that thing was painful. I'm like, okay, this is not coming anymore. Like, I just ready to get up. She did a good job on the wash though, because your hair is really thick though. She really did though. She was using that little round brush. That round brush with the blow special. Literally, that's exactly what she was doing. Yup. We're back in business. Yes, she did so good. I told y'all, she always gets me right. And not everybody could do 2 braids, y'all. Let me tell y'all, not everybody could do 2 braids. I had somebody do 2 braids on me, and it was just so puffy. Like, I mean, not everybody could do 2 braids. So my girl Reagan gets me right. Hopefully she posts on her page, because she's terrible at freaking posting. And I tell the girl, post. She out here looking for a job. This is a whole job right here that could be paying her money. So, but yeah, so that's all I got for y'all today. Really just a simple little maintenance vlog. Shouldn't be too long. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm about to finish doing the dishes and cleaning up and get ready for work tomorrow. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.